Hey guys, Shar.realtor here, your Bay Area realtor. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're touring this beautiful, newly constructed contemporary home in Willow Glen neighborhood. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 3,007 square feet of living space on a 6,100 square feet lot. The house was built in 2023, so they just finished construction. Right at the front, adjacent to the front door, is an attached private entrance ADU. It has its own kitchenette and ensuite bathroom with washer and dryer hookups. The main house has an impressive 10-feet ceiling entryway that will lead to a gorgeous dining area and great room with an illuminating fireplace. There is abundance of windows and bright lights throughout the house. Gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line stainless steel Thermador appliances and a beautiful oversized island with sink. There is a mudroom and a pantry right between the garage and the kitchen. Upstairs, there's a spacious loft that provides a beautiful ambiance to relax, or it could be used as a private workspace. You've got solar panels that are owned, and the house is an amazing neighborhood and location. It's very close to the highways, high-tech companies, parks, and downtown Willow Glen. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you enjoy this beautiful house tour. Leave me a comment and let me know what was your favorite part about the house, and if you would like to see this in person, or if you want to see something similar, you can go ahead and reach out to me via my information in the description box, and I will be more than happy to help you out. Until next time, enjoy the tour. Talk soon. Bye-bye.